Right here I have this awesome plaid flannel that you're looking for. Hey guys, my name is TJ and today I'm wearing this awesome flannel plaid shirt that is super comfortable and lightweight, breathable. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium in this flannel and I do think that it fits great. We have a nice taper going around the side, so it's gonna give it a nice premium look and also give you full mobility and movement. This is gonna be a full button down all the way. Has really nice sleeve length. It feels like it's a little bit tailored in the sleeves, so I do like the way that looks. Pair this up with a pair of jeans and it's gonna look really good. This could be perfect for winter time, fall, spring. You could wear this at a date night, a night on the town, to the office, just to run some errands. This could be something I'm just gonna throw on and just stay warm and comfortable all day long. Now we have a really nice collar on the top that's gonna be pretty sturdy, and it looks like it's a double layer of the actual fabric itself. We're gonna have white buttons on here, very easy to button in and out, and it's just gonna be such a cool color. I love how this has the tan, the white, the blue. It just looks really, really good. We're even gonna get a functional pocket in the front, which is something that I do love. This is so soft, and I promise you, you're gonna love the way that this feels on your skin, and wearing this, it keeps you really warm. It just has a great fit. On the cufflinks, you're only gonna have one button on here. It's not gonna be a double adjustable, but you also do get one on the forearm as well. It does feel like a pretty nice size thickness on the actual cuff, so I do like that. Wearing it like this is just a cool way to have it, and it just sits properly, looks really nice. Roll this up on the forearm and you can just throw a vest on here. It'll be a very nice fit for the winter season. You'll be looking good and you'll be staying warm. I highly recommend this. Go check out all the other colors they have to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.